Introducing the stunning 2019 Audi Q5 2.0 TDI 163 QST SE in a sleek blue exterior colour. This top-of-the-line vehicle is equipped with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and smooth automatic transmission, perfect for all your driving needs. The Estatejeep bodystyle offers ample space and luxury features for your comfort and convenience. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this Audi has it all. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The styling and security features such as chrome package and roof rails add a touch of elegance to the vehicle. Plus, with a stop and start system and tyre repair kit, you'll always be prepared on the road. Rest assured, this Audi has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive.